I need to fix this, tighten this thing up, because that's not safe for the police guy. So whatever you do, don't get on any police bike, don't press any button. Obviously I cannot take this for a test ride. This thing, I don't know what this thing is here. There's a red button there. See that red button there? You press. I got a lot of respect for CHP folks, man. They do a really good job here in California. Hey YouTubers, today I'm so excited about showing you a real California Highway Patrol police bike. This is it, guys. So if you want to see what it's like, you know, get a close-up of a CHP official police bike, this is what it looks like, guys. This is the Kawasaki Concourse 14. So let me just give you a walk around and then I'll tell you what I think about this bike. I mean, just look at this, guys. Does that look amazing? Oh, this is the real deal. This is the official California Highway Patrol police bike. Look at it. Amazing, ain't it? Looks awesome. I was getting my bike serviced here at the dealership, so I just saw this here. It's getting fixed, so I thought I'd give you a quick visual of it. Yeah, look at this. This is a Kawasaki 14. I did do a test ride of the Kawasaki Concourse 14, the latest model, so check out that video. But I'm going to give you a close-up. This is what it looks like, the real deal. Amazing, ain't it? CHP. Yeah, it's got kind of the black and white finish, right? I don't know what this thing is. Books, whatever, put your flags or whatever on that. It looks so intimidating. No wonder people get scared looking at this bike. That's my bike there being serviced. Look at it, it's going in for service. I got about 39,000 miles on it, so I'm gonna get that chain fixed. So anyway, let's look at this bike. Look at it, guys. Amazing. Let's just look at it and give you a close-up. I'm gonna sit on it and see what it feels like. Yeah, look at that, guys. Sitting on an official CHP motorcycle. Look at this. Man, it looks amazing. I think what the difference between this one and the stock model is, this windshield is definitely not stock. I can tell this is not stock windshield. This is a different one. And this whole thing, whatever this is, this channel, radio channel, is different. A lot more kind of gadgets here, switches they have. This is police radio. So this is what it feels like sitting on an official police bike. Notepad here, I guess they got the clip on here, the foot there. Clip on stuff here. We're just gonna soak it in. Get a feel of what it's like sitting on a police bike. Amazing. Yeah, you got those protection, right? The siren there, leg protection, the rear protection. So if you go down on this bike, you got protection here, kind of the bars up the front, the bars in the rear, right? So they kind of protect the policeman. Amazing. Yeah. Let's get off it. Man, look at it. Got the bags, standard bags. CHP, California Highway Patrol. Yeah. Concourse 14. Let's look at it, man. So there you go, guys. You got the siren. You got this stuff here. So I don't know what that is. Can we put your rods there, I guess? This is the crash bars, the front. So these do a really good job. So that and that, they protect the police guy, right? This looks a little bit loose. They should tighten that up. Let me see. Yeah, that. So this is firm and kind of secure. But I already noticed that this bar here is a little bit loose, so they need to fix this, tighten this thing up, because that's not safe for the police guy. So yeah, I can now say that I've had the chance to sit on an official police bike. It's amazing. The siren. That's the siren. I'm gonna sit on it once again and get a feel of it. Yeah, look at this, guys. Whew, intimidating. Yeah, this shield is definitely not stock, I can tell. Much bigger. It gives you more, it gives the rider more air protection and probably does a better job of wind buffeting. Obviously, I cannot take this for a test ride. But the least I can do is sit on it. So all the other features are standard. I got this thing, I don't know what this thing is here. I think I pressed the wrong button. Sorry.
Don't touch the bikes!
Okay. There you go. That's what you get for pressing the wrong button thing. I pressed the wrong button there. That was crazy. So don't do that on a police bike. You know, don't press that button. Don't. That was terrible. Oh, that was terrible. So don't go around, so whatever you do, don't get on any police bike, don't press any button. That's the lesson here. Okay? That was pretty... You just wake up the whole neighborhood. That's crazy. So now I know exactly how the police guys turn on their sirens. They press that, there's a red button there. See that red button there? You press that. It's gonna activate the whole siren, so don't do that. Press that thing, and I think that's a button there that kind of disengages it right there. So that was a police siren. Oh god, that's too funny. Anyway, I got a lot of respect for CHP folks, man. They do a really good job. They work hard. It's a very risky job. I mean, they're on motorcycles. You know, 8 hours a day, miles and miles. I mean, I just commute to and back from work, but these guys are riding it, you know, day in, day out. Really, really good job. And as I mentioned many times on many of my videos, that it's just a pleasure riding motorcycles in California, because CHP, they do a good job in terms of not trying to pull over motorcycle riders, unless we were, you know, really going very, very fast. But you know, if we're doing safe riding at reasonable speeds, they do a good job in terms of you know, letting us have freedom to ride and not giving us in excessive tickets. So that was CHP, guys. That was cool.